Hey there, thanks for checking out my new recipe and video. I'm calling this garlic butter flank steak with summer squash. I made it outside on the BLACKSTONE flat top grill, but you don't need to have one of those in order to make this recipe. You can make it all in a large skillet on the stovetop. Well, probably 2 large skillets on the stovetop. That'll make it a little bit easier. First, you want to chop up about 2 medium yellow squash. I'll make sure to post all the ingredients with quantities in the description box below. Plus, it'll also be on my website, kudoskitchenbyrenee.com. I'll make sure to leave the link down below. I was trying a new camera setup today. I was wearing it around my neck, which is a little bit different for me if you've seen my other videos. I'd love to know what you think about this method of filming. Next up, do the same thing with about 3 medium green zucchinis. Feel free to add your favorite veggies at this point. They'll all be really good with this recipe. I'm happy to answer any questions you may have about this or other recipes you've seen. And please check out some of my other videos. That sure would be great. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks! And finally, dice up 1 good-sized sweet onion. Now you can set the veggies aside and you can slice the flank steak. You want to slice it across the grain so the meat will be tender when you're eating it. So look closely and find out which way the grain is running, and then turn your flank steak a quarter turn and slice it into about 1/4 inch thickness. I find it so much easier to slice the steak when it's partially frozen. Next up, season the steak with salt and pepper, and then make sure your grill or cast iron skillet or whatever skillet you're using, the heat is turned to medium high. Here's the lemon I was telling you about earlier. What that does is cut through some of the richness of the butter and will help balance out all the flavor. To this hot pan or griddle, I added avocado oil and then tossed down the veggies and the meat, and it all cooked really quickly together for about 10 minutes. I made sure to flip them pretty continually to get a nice color on all sides. Now I added my skillet with the butter and garlic right onto the flat top and let that butter melt and the garlic cook just a little bit. Give it all a good stir, and when all is melted, a pinch of salt and pepper, and then add the steak and the veggies into the skillet and give it all a good toss. Wait until you smell this cooking, you guys. You're gonna love it. It's time to eat. Thanks for watching. For more tasty recipes, visit my channel or check out my website, kudoskitchenbyrenee.com.